and take out my mask to go on the little joke here quick. Cause this is serious, no man. I have to go on the joke here. I go through the security checkpoint and I go through, you know, the part of them screen like you put it under the ear and then put it through the little box thing the way them screen your body and thing. So when I come out, the woman show up on the camera. When I look at the wall underneath me, she said, what is going on under there? So when I look on the camera, I see the whole of my vagina buffed out. So she said to me, what's going on there? Do you want me to screen it again? I said, okay, but that's supposed to be my vagina. And she was like, so I said, why are you so surprised? It's my vagina. That's what is under there. And she said, but it's showing something is wrong. So I said, lady, nothing can wrong. It's my vagina. So she said, well, it's either you let me pat you down to see what you're carrying under there, or you go back in there and let's see it again. So I said, alright then, I don't want her to touch me. Come on, woman, come feel up my underpart. So I say, alright, I'm gonna go back in there. So I'm gonna go back in there, I'm gonna come back out. She showed me at the camera, she said, it's showing a little bit, you know. Well, it's okay, go on, it's showing. So I said, and where the box cover? So the only thing them could have said, I must fatty fat.